Smart marketers are constantly connecting with their existing clientele. They're forging relationships. They're getting to know them better. If you want to make a lot of money, know your people. Andre said, I like 100K Mastermind. Trade your watch and get into another one. My man, I don't need to trade in the watch. I got lots of hundreds of thousands of dollars lying around. I could buy more watches and buy more masterminds. It's not a big deal. I don't need to trade anything. See, the thing is like how one sees a watch or one sees a car, they think it costs money. To me, it's my trophy. Literally, it's more of a mental mind thing. I wrote extensively about it to myself, about the thought process on buying a six-figure watch. The truth is, it's the journey to buy it, not the destination for me. The destination has to happen to acknowledge the journey. But until then, to me, it was more of an emotional, mental process to learn about myself, to learn about how I take money in, how I feel about money, what is money to me, and all that. And I've done this since I bought $2,500 watches. So I talk about that in the book, Thought on the Thigh. Because for me, the truth is, as soon as I bought the 100K watches, the day it happened, first of all, it's already happened in my brain a million times. I bought the watch. I sent the wire in a second, got the watch. I had to go to the Brink store to pick it up, and literally I'm like, what's next? It wasn't about the watch. People make it about the watch or the car or the house or whatever. The truth is who I'm becoming on the journey to get there. I become closer. I understand money differently. I like money. I want more of it to do more things with it. And some people say, dude, a watch, 100 grand watch, 120 grand watch is crazy. Okay, compared to what? I know some of my buddies have $1 million watches and beyond. Some of them have $300,000, $500,000 watches they wear all the time, and they have multiple of them. So I can't judge it. I like them. They're cool timepieces. Some of them I like, some of them I don't, whatever, right? But the truth is, the guy, Eli, that sold me my six-figure watch, well, he didn't even sell me. I called him and said, yo, I want it. Tell me where to send the wire. That's how the sale went down, truthfully. But he's never followed up. He's never texted. He's never connected. He's never said, yo, man, you're one of my VIP clients. By the way, I was his first six-figure watch buyer, I believe, because they didn't even know how to handle the wire. It was pretty wild. But anyways, so he tells me all this stuff, and during the call, but like after, like there's no like, yo, man, you're my VIP buyer. I got this new watch coming out. I know this is your game. You know, I can hook you up with this. What you think? What do you think? Guys, just so you know, people like me, my personality, I like VIP. I like front row. I like flying first class and or private. I like that's what I like. That's my personality. So it's not hard to sell me. The truth is, I don't even look at regular tickets. I go straight to the best tickets. So most of you are looking from less to least expensive to the most. I'm actually, you know, we're flipping it. We go to the most expensive down. Like, let's start there. Let's see where we're at. That's how we went to the Super Bowl. I mean, that's how I shop, period. But again, it sounds shallow outside looking in, but the truth is, this is about customer awareness. This is about understanding who your clientele is. If you're buying a six-figure watch, you're probably like that as a personality traits. That's why you would buy a six-figure watch. There's no other reason to, right? So there's things that you need to start learning about reconnecting, re-engaging. If you have an email list of clients, you need to send out an email today and say, hey, first name, I was thinking about you. I hope you're doing amazing. I just want to take a minute and say, I thank you very much for the business we've done before. I look forward to doing more with you in the future. Just saying that, that's not selling or anything. That's just connecting. You're going to get replies back. Hey, Mark, thank you for the connection. Hey, Mark, F you. Hey, Mark, well, I love you, man. I hope all's well. Hey, man, I was actually just thinking about you. I'm looking to spend 50 grand today on a new house, on another house. What do you got? Like, you're going to get that through osmosis of action. You're going to get it rolling. So for me, at the end of the day, what you need to understand is I'm thinking about customer depth, not customer width. So most of the people are trying to figure out how to get 1 million clients. I know it all starts with 1, 10, 100, and 1,000, etc.
Kevin's DM, I'm here to help and teach him what I know and how I did it. To discover freedom, there ain't no question more Kevin's when he step in the door. He's closing deals, maker, but I'm not just a deal maker.